Silko, the Executive Director of Rwenzori Information Center Network, which is commonly known as RIC-NET, is an organization working specifically in developing ICT solutions, but also documenting information both from the rural community and from other stakeholders. We try to ensure that we provide information in a timely and relevant manner using a number of partner organizations and also information centers. So far the network is having about 50 outlet centers or information centers with different capacity. Some centers are at the district, so we have 7 centers at all the 7 districts in the Rwenzori region. Then we have 8 centers at the county levels, and then we have 35 centers situated at the sub-counties and the village, which we call info points. We have established online platforms like the bulk SMS, where people share, where we give people information that is up to date. This information is in terms of alerts or creating awareness or giving them to listen to specific radio programs. Other platforms like Track FM that we have put on the local radios that enables the public to contribute their opinion on a radio program as it goes on live. We have another platform looking at getting the feedback from the people in terms of Duma, which is the Rwenzori people's voice also, but specifically here I'm looking also at citizensvoice.ug. This one is giving the opportunity for every citizen to report on an issue that's happening through their area of jurisdiction by using a bulk, a short code and an SMS. Also, we'll put up the e-society centers at the districts as an avenue for people to come to a one-stop point or one single point where you can get information about the district. The other platforms like blogs that also ensure that we get information very quickly to the other people on the other side of the world and also to the civil society organizations. For instance, if I take the RIC-NET blog, has already been visited by over 25,000 people. It shows how much people are really looking at the information from our blogs. Part of our information on the blogs have been translated and put up into newspapers and some other local magazines. We have been able to reach more than 25 other districts in Uganda, especially in the Teso region, 5 districts in Teso region, 5 districts in the Acholi region, and then 5 districts in the West Nile, and 5 districts in the Uganda region. So among these were districts that we never used to work with, but through a consortium, Civic, we've been able to access leverage of working with these districts, and I'll be establishing some already information centers, information points for data processing, but also most of the 25 districts were built for them online platforms like websites and electronic libraries. So the advantage of working in a consortium is that you get, first of all, a chance to work in a more broader, and also you work in a specialized way, but also as a part of fundraising and leveraging.
My name is Alice Mbayahi. I work for RICNET as the Information and Advocacy Officer, largely charged with information sharing and ICT under the consortium. And in this arrangement, we've been able to do several things as far as documentation is concerned. We've been able to publish over 30,000 copies of newsletters, which are quarterly, then brochures, flyers, posters, all carrying service delivery information, civic competence information, and also been able to make several brochures, pull-up stands, banners, and many other IEC materials that we've been able to distribute to the communities. In this work, we've been able to reach over 2 million people in the Rwenzori region. Most of these messages have helped creating awareness on that is enhancing, improving social accountability, service delivery, and also enhancing civic competence. It has also helped in enhancing ROCO's profile amongst the community, and of course also helping the consortium keep track and progress of what it is doing. Among other things, besides the newsletters, we've been able to make documentaries, video documentaries of the work that we are doing, just like the documentary you're viewing now.